and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we are doing the finale for the Fall For You group project pan collaboration. I will leave all of the project pan information down below along with Claire Elizabeth's channel linked because she is the creator and the starter of this project pan, and so I'd like to give her a little shout out. Again, this is the finale. I did not put an update out last month. Are we surprised? No, probably not. But I am pretty excited to share with you my update this time. I didn't quite hit every single one of my goals, but I made a lot of really good progress and I did hit some of my goals. It is November, what is today? It is November the 14th today. This is supposed to go up tomorrow, the 15th. Will it? I don't know. We'll find out. It might go up Monday. Who knows? It's already late in the day on the 14th. So, you know, sometimes, most of the times, life happens. Okay, so let's get started. The first item that I was trying to project pan during this project is this right here. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Weenie. It is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. So I'm wearing a Weenie, and then I also tapped on top the shade Reflect, which is one of the Hourglass Scattered Light eyeshadows. I just wanted a little bit more oomph to the eyeshadow look. So this is beautiful, but I really liked what that, you're not here for that. Okay, anyways. This right here. So last update, I didn't have any pan of any kind in this, and my goal was just to hit significant pan, and I think I did that. There you see, we've got quite the disc showing in the middle, which is very exciting because like I said last time, I didn't have any pan at all, and now we have a lot of pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and count this product successful. Ooh, next is a concealer. So just like the Super Shock Shadow, this is a potted concealer, first of all. I had not hit pan on this at all. And with this one, I wasn't sure how deep it is because it's kind of hard to tell in potted products like this. But just in the nick of time, I hit pan. You can't see it from this far away. Aha, can you, I don't think you can really see like a shadow behind it, but you can definitely see right there, right in the center. There's quite a little tiny baby pan in there. Project pans are fun because you start using products that you think that you like, and either you continue to like them and maybe even love them, like some of the products in this project pan, and others you kind of just come to find out that you don't really like, which is what happened with this one. It's okay, but it's out of all of my concealers in my collection right now, I think this is my least favorite. So it's a bit unfortunate, but it is good that I was able to get pretty good use out of it in this project pan, especially before I got a little too pale to use it, which is now the case. I am definitely a bit too pale. For the last few times I've used this, I had to put it on and then put foundation on top because it was just a little bit too dark. A little bit too dark. It needed something on top to kind of cancel out the darkness. But I hit my goal on this, which was just to hit pan, so that's very exciting. Oh, the next item, I definitely did not hit my goal on this. I don't really know what I was thinking. My goal with this Little Baby Bite lipstick was to use it up. I have it a little bit on my lips right now, and I have used this as a cream blush every once in a while, and this is how much I have left. There's definitely less in here than there was when I started, but I definitely did not use it up. I mean, I used it more than I would have, and I did like this tapped on as a cream blush. I did think that it was really pretty that way, so I might continue to just kind of use it, but I did not hit my goal, which was again to use it up. I don't know why I thought I could use it up in 3 months. That was very ambitious of me, but I did not succeed. And everything else I didn't quite hit my goal on, but I think I've been very successful. So next up we have a blush. This is the MAC blush in the shade Warm Soul. I don't purchase from MAC anymore. I haven't purchased from them in years, but I thought I heard recently that they no longer carry this, which is crazy because this used to be very, very popular. So again, this is Warm Soul by MAC. It's one of their baked blushes, and I had a number goal on this one. My goal was to use it 30 times. In my last update, I had only used it 10 times, and now, let's see, I'm at 24. So I used it another 14 times and didn't quite hit my goal. I was 6 days short of hitting my goal, but I feel like, you know, 24. 24 times. I feel like that's pretty good. I didn't quite hit my goal, but I used it a lot. I am wearing it on my cheeks today. It's nice. It's a nice blush. If I was purchasing from MAC, I don't know that I would purchase it again. It's fine. Like, it's a fine blush, but yeah. I thought about decluttering this, but it works good enough and I like it enough to hold on to it, but it's too old, I think, to try and sell on Poshmark or anything like that. It's probably like 5 years old, so I don't know that I'd want to pass it on to anybody else. So I'll probably just hang on to it for a while longer, maybe. We'll see in my next declutter how I'm feeling. Okay, next we have, ooh, the Bite lip gloss. So this is an example of a product that I came to really enjoy throughout the course of this project. I just really like this. I did mention in my last video though, and I still agree with myself, that the packaging on the new Bite lip glosses is far inferior to this one. I really like the packaging on the old compact. But let's see, last update I'd only used this 5 times, and now, same as the last item, I've used this 24 times. So almost hit my goal, but not quite. There was a good chunk of time there when I was just not wearing like any makeup at all. But last time only 5, this time 24. I used it 19 times. I feel like that's pretty good. I feel okay about that. And I really like this. I've come to really enjoy this, so I think I'll keep on keeping on. Oh, and we're on to the very last product. This is the Too Faced highlight in Blinded by the Light. I had another number goal on this one. My number goal for this was the same as the others, which was 30 times. This one I used a little bit more, but I was so close, so close. I used this 26 times, so I was 4 days short, unfortunately, but I hit pan. It's kind of a weird pan because this is a baked product. Okay, so I don't know how well you'll be able to see in there, but you can see the pan. Oop, you even saw a flash right there. Pan in the very bottom, and I've used all the way down to the pan at the very bottom. That's so exciting. I do use a little pencil brush, like a brush like this one right here, to kind of get in there, and then I use it on my inner corners, usually my brow bone, my cupid's bow, and then I go in with a brush like this one, and I kind of just swirl it all along the top and then use it for my cheek and nose highlight. So that's how I was using it. 26 times, it's not 30, but I'll take it. All right, and those are all of my products, all of my updates for the Fall For You project pan. I am now only doing a sample project pan, which is kind of exciting. I will be launching a new, not really project pan, but a random palette generator for my monthly palettes. I'm planning on launching that pretty soon. I might do that in December. I was thinking I would start that at the beginning of next year, so January, but maybe I'll start it early. I don't know, we'll have to see. I'm kind of excited to do it. It'll make me use palettes that maybe I don't typically reach for in my collection, and I have a feeling I'll probably randomly generate 5 palettes from my collection to use every month. I used to do a pan those eyeshadow project pan type of video, but quickly fell off of that because eyeshadows just take so long to pan, and I really didn't enjoy it. But I thought if I forced myself to use 5 palettes a month, and like maybe only those 5 palettes, or maybe I can pull 1 extra palette in that I want to use, then that's a kind of better way to do it. Maybe I can do some kind of review of the palettes that I used the previous month and then pull new palettes the next month. I don't know, we'll have to see. But if that sounds interesting to you, then maybe consider subscribing if you're not already. If you like this video, if you like project pans, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up. All of those buttons are down below, and I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.